Hello, I'm Ben.
And I'm Bryan.
Ugh.
And that's our dog snarfing on the floor. And this is sewing hour.
Today we're gonna make a felt stitched ornament. I've got a wreath.
And I've got a tree.
And it's gonna be an adventure because we don't know how to sew.
At all.
Sew buttons and bow to wreath piece with matching holes. Okay, I can do that.
Sew buttons and felt star to tree piece. Use backstitch to sew the tree design. Okay, here goes nothing. Something makes me feel like I already have done something wrong.
Why?
My question is, there's no knot here. How do I know what length I'm gonna need to know?
Yeah, I get it.
Because I need a knot on the end to stop it here.
I don't know. Oh gosh, this is hard. I don't know. You probably have a lot more thread than you need, right? I would hope.
I would hope so, but what if I don't have, don't make a knot?
I don't know.
I feel like I should open this.
Pull a lot. Yeah, pull that. Pull it. Yeah, pull it.
The whole thing.
Pull a lot of it.
No, it should just be the whole friggin' thing. Because that way I'll be able to knot up this end.
Sure. I don't know.
Something's not right
I really
here.
don't know. Where is this supposed to go? Oh, up there. Yep. Professional stitcher, Ben Hughes at your stitching service.
No, I'm not gonna do this.
Woo! Yeah, look at that. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba.
Needle came off its thread.
My thread is coming off
no.
its thread.
Oh no. Oh no. I really did drop it this time.
Oh no, you dropped your needle?
Yeah, I'm never gonna find it. Ever.
Dude. Look at me go! I'm so good at this. Maybe I'll become a seamster?
Seamstress.
I got my thread in my copy.
Oh, I almost did that to mine too. Is there a thread brown there?
I wish this copy was spiked.
I messed up. Took me a second. How bad?
So this is the back piece. This piece has all the holes for the buttons and for...
Oh, you have to sew the buttons?
Yeah, the buttons
Yeah,
go
you're
on
supposed
the
to sew the
wreath.
buttons on first.
Like that. No, I know. No, you're not supposed to sew the buttons on first. They're supposed to be, Oh, damn it. Okay, so here's this interesting sidebar. I bought mashed potatoes today, mixed potatoes, like just pre-made flakes that you just...
potatoes?
Yeah, Insta-potatoes. And you just add water to them or whatever. They have, and I kid you not, the ingredients, including perch, trout, oysters, clams, soy,
Anchovies.
wheat, eggs, anchovies, walnuts, peanuts, like all of these random things that probably shouldn't be in instant mashed potatoes. Like, most of the things listed are not potatoes.
Well, it did say may contain.
How? How do you?
I don't know. I'm just saying, it didn't say those are actual ingredients. It just
It also didn't say it was actual potato flakes, so I guess...
Did you look to see if there was any actual potato in there?
Imagine?
No potato.
No, I think there's potato in our potatoes. So, not that bad.
It's so pretty!
Yours is really nice. I was looking at the back side of it thinking it was really nice. The front is even better. So when I was sewing on my buttons, I forgot to pull the entire thread through one of them. so now I just have this thread that's like extra in the middle. Oh no! Kit Kat. Here's a poll. How do you eat your Kit Kats? That's how I eat mine. People hate me for it. Oh well. I've got all my buttons and I've got my bow.
Dude.
But now I gotta figure out how to stuff it. It looks pre-made. Do I really
a lot of tying knots.
Do I really need to finish this? Oh, frig.
Did you forget to tie your knots?
No. Look, that's how I stitched it.
Gotta go back. Can't leave that one. That's gonna drive me crazy.
I should leave it.
Don't do it. Ah!
It's imperfect. I love it. All right, I'm leaving it.
Benjamin.
Ooh, oh no. Oh shoot, how did I do that? Can you help me? I really don't know what I just did. Oh.
Hold on, this is a knot. Go ahead. Hold on. Hey, back off my string.
Hey, you done?
Almost.
Oh.
I had a little fiasco moment, so
Okay.
just trying to fix it, and then I shall be ready.
What is this? What is this?
I'm going to hot glue my string, my thing that's gonna hold it so that it holds on a tree.
Your ribbon?
My ribbon. I'm gonna hot glue that right to this thing.
That's like next level ornamentation.
You should see my ornament.
I will see your ornament in just a second. Alright, we are done finally after like 2 hours.
Really? It took a long time to make those.
Really long time. So this is like really heartfelt. Haha, no pun intended, because it's all felt.
12:53 in the morning.
Yeah, goodness gracious. We should be asleep. But we wanted to put our ornaments onto our Christmas tree. So let's see how our ornaments came out first. Do you want to look at yours first?
I don't know what yours first.
No, I want to see yours because yours took so long. I want to see how good yours came out. Mine was a rush job. It was nothing great. Yours is hot glued and everything. It's like fancy. All right, let's do yours. So that's what it looks like on the package. What's it look like in real life? Oh man, that's really cute. I like your button placement better.
Yeah, I like the blue button in the middle.
Yeah, the blue button in the middle. That's really nice. All right, mine. It's supposed to look like this. Actually looks like this.
Oh, it's really
cute. It's got a little star in the center because I had too much time on my hands. And I didn't have any sort of hot glue. Look at all my stitchings all messed up. Yeah, that's what you get when you order an ornament from Ben Hughes. But when you order a Bryan ornament, oh my gosh, you get QVC quality, dial now, 6 easy payments of $999 each, quality ornaments. So we should put them on our tree. This is our Christmas tree. I'm gonna put mine right here.
This is kind of weird putting a tree on a tree.
It's very meta. It's like, Beautimus. That's adorable.
They're cute.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Love you.
Love you too.
All right, goodbye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.